Let's take a look at this problem. We got x squared minus x plus 8 is equal to 0. It's in the right form. We got 0 on this side, and we got x squared x, no x. So we're going to use quadratic formula. We'll identify our a, which is numbers in front of our x squared, which is 1. B, the numbers in front of our x, which is negative 1. And C is the number at the end, which is 8. Quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we're going to go through and replace our variables with sets of parentheses. Everything else will remain exactly the same. This is handy if you got negative mixed in with your numbers. You're less likely to make sign mistakes. Now everything else remains exactly the same. I just replaced the variables with parentheses. Now everywhere we had a b, we'll plug in negative 1. Everywhere we had an a, we'll plug in 1. And everywhere we had a c, we'll plug in 8. So negative negative gives us a positive 1, plus or minus. Negative 1 squared is 1, minus 4 times 1 times 8 is 32 over 2, which gives us 1 plus or minus. 1 minus 32 is negative 31 over 2. Now remember, well, 31 is prime to begin with, so we can't really do anything with it. But remember, if you have a negative inside of your square root, that comes out as an I. So bring an I out. That's an imaginary part. Now, since we do have an I, we want to split this up. We want the real part separate from the imaginary part. So put the 1 over 2, excuse me, plus or minus square root of 31 over 2 with an I to the side. And that's our answer.